Hey everyone, glad to see you all. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a garden stake, or they also call them fairy wands. You need a 1/4 inch metal dowel. I get this at Menards and it's already pre-cut, or you can get the long one where you have to cut it, but I prefer the already cut ones. And then here's your choices of knobs. And I get these at Hobby Lobby. And I got them on sale for 50% off. Sometimes they're running sales and sometimes they're not. But what you do is you take one of these knobs. So we're gonna do the pink one. And then we'll put the rest of them aside. And we're gonna unscrew the screw that's in there because we don't want to use that. So we're just gonna take this off. Kind of strip it apart, take the screw out from the inside. You don't need this. You can pitch it or you can keep it. I pitch mine. And what you do is you pick your metal dowel, you put the top of the nut at the very top, and then you put your other pieces on that came from the original set. And then you're going to just put those back on like that. And then we're going to take another bolt and we're going to screw that on to hold the knob tight. And then once you're done holding the knob tight, then you can start threading your dowel. I call it a metal dowel. You can start threading your dowel with I call them Pandora beads. They're not actually Pandora beads, but they look like Pandora beads. And I just order those off of Amazon. So once you've got your bolt on there, or your nut, whatever you want to call it, it's a bolt to me, then you're going to start picking out, and these are my Pandora beads that I have. As you can see, I have quite a few. And I like to coordinate them with the colors of the knob that I choose. So for instance, this one has got pink. It's a ceramic knob. So I like to pick out pink ones, and then you just start putting them on. So we're going to put, and I'm just going to fast forward through this so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me put all the beads on. But I pick out pink ones. I'll just do a few. And then you can see, you can kind of get the idea. And like I said, I color coordinate mine, but you don't have to. You can do whatever colors you choose. I've done lots of different ones, lots of different colors, lots of different knobs. But you just put them on here like this. And then I'm going to fast forward to the end. And this is what it looks like after you've gotten all your beads on. And I forgot to mention that some of the beads are plastic and some of the beads are glass. It doesn't matter which kind you get. They're all pretty. And as you can see, there's a breast cancer one on here. I thought that was pretty neat. Kind of special. And there's just different colors with different designs. And so when you're all done making your garden stake, you want to put another nut on. And this just keeps it in place so the beads aren't falling off. And you want to leave about, a couple inches. Let me measure this real quick and see. It's about 2 inches. You want to leave about 2 inches on the bottom right here where there's no beads. That way that part sticks into the ground, or you can put it into your flower pot. I sell these at garage sales and I sell them to friends and stuff, and I've given some to friends and family, and they choose to put them in their flower pots. Some put them outside, but they can be for whatever. And this is your finished garden stake. I hope you'd enjoyed the video, and please watch me again. Stay tuned. Thank you.